Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Desi Lassi at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of fresh, plain yogurt, about 1/2 cup of cold milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. Make sure your yogurt is well chilled for that perfect, refreshing consistency. You'll also need a blender or a traditional hand churner to mix everything smoothly. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful beverage. Now, let's get blending. Pour your 1 cup of chilled yogurt into the blender. Add the 1/2 cup of cold milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and the pinch of cardamom powder. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want a smooth, frothy mixture with no lumps. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed, adding a little more sugar for a sweeter lassi. This step is crucial for achieving the desired creamy texture. Once you have your basic lassi, it's time to get creative with flavors. For a fruity lassi, add about 1/2 cup of fresh mango pulp or berries before blending. A teaspoon of rose water can infuse a beautiful floral note, transforming your drink. For an extra touch, garnish your lassi with finely chopped pistachios, almonds, or a few strands of saffron. These additions elevate the taste and presentation, making each sip a unique experience. Your delicious homemade Desi Lassi is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the frothy lassi into tall, chilled glasses. For an extra chill, you can add a couple of ice cubes, though it's often cold enough already. Serve it immediately to savor its refreshing qualities. This traditional Indian beverage is perfect as a cool treat on a warm day or as a delightful accompaniment to any meal. Enjoy every sip of your perfectly crafted lassi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.